with your girl Simple Sassy. I know. Yes, I know. I have been missing in action for some time now, but I am back, and I'm back with a bomb video. So you see my hairstyle here. I am wearing they call it the Juicy Passion Twist, and this here in particular that I used is the 3X Ghana Waterwave, Springy Waterwave Twist, and I will be using that same here today to create some long juicy passion twists. So if you are a fan of twists, then this video is for you, because I will be doing that for today. So if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead now and subscribe. Click that post notification bell and click the icon that says all, so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. So without further ado, let us get right into it. So the products that I will be using in this video are a wax gel, elastic band, tail comb, crushing needle, hair accessories, and my Ghana Twist Springy Waterwave braids. This braid is 2B, it is 14-inch, and I'll be using 2 packs for a complete look. This is my client and she has a 4C here. So the first thing I'll be doing, I'll be creating a straight part. Once I've done that, I'm now going to go ahead and apply my wax to the root of her hair so that I can have a tighter and neater grip. Now I'm going to start with dividing that partition in small sections. Once I've done that, I can now secure the root with an elastic band. So as you can see, I add some wax to the end of the ear just to have it not sticking out through the twist. Guys, you don't necessarily have to do this, but it's an option. So for each twist I use 3 strands. Guys, you can use more than 3. If you want a bulky look, you can use 4 or more, but I want a medium-sized twist that can blend or cover her thin hair, because you can see her hair is a bit thin even though it has a 4C texture. So I use more than 2 strands, so I use approximately 3 strands to give me this juicy and bulky look. So guys, as you can see, I have reached, I would say, 3/4 of the hair. I have used approximately 2 bundles from one of the packs that I pulled earlier, and I'm having a little concern because I'm wondering if 2 packs can give me a complete hair down, since I'm almost finished with 1 pack. But let's all hope for the best. I have 1 pot left with 3 bundles, so let's see if this can give me the outcome and result.
Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free? I said, we are young and afraid, but life is unpredictable. Can you be the one